Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own YouTube channel. So before we begin, be sure to click that red subscribe button down below. So let's get started. So first you're going to click that button that says sign in up here. And then it's going to say create channel. So you're going to click that and then it'll take you over here. And then it'll say your uploads or video. These are your videos that you've made. I made 3, be sure to check those out. And then you can customize channel, and you can also go on Screencast-O-Matic to make your videos, and so then you can, and then when you finish, you can click upload or publish, and then it'll take a while and they'll pop up right here. So thank you for watching how to make your very own YouTube channel. Again, be sure to click that red subscribe button.